Jenny was a quiet girl. She was not good at sports. One day, her teacher made a big announcement in class. Someone would be selected for the 400-meter race. Jenny, you will represent the class in the 400-meter race.
Me? Wow, thank you! Awesome, Jenny, go for it! You'll do great! Yeah, we believe in you! Teacher, I can't do it! I don't even know how to run properly. If you don't try, how do you know you can't?
Jenny felt unsure, but she kept thinking about the teacher's words.
Then Georgie, the best runner in the class, came to her. Hey, ready for the race? Georgie, yes, I'm ready! Great, let's do our best together!
Don't be afraid, I will help you. I will run with you every day. The next day, they started training together.
At first, Jenny could only run 100 meters.
She felt tired and could hardly breathe.
You are doing great! Keep going! Really? I'm trying so hard. I can see that. You're improving. Thank you, Georgie.
Day by day, Jenny kept practicing. Her endurance grew with every run, and her determination never wavered.
Slowly, she became stronger and more confident. Even when it was hard, she did not give up.
Finally, the day of the race arrived.
Jenny stood at the starting line with the other runners. Bang! The race begins! Jenny pushes forward with all her strength. After the starting gun fired, everyone ran forward.
Jenny ran as fast as she could. She gave all her strength.
Her legs were tired, but she kept going.
At last, she crossed the finish line at third.
Georgie ran to Jenny, bib 111, and hugged her.
You did it!
But I didn't win. Jenny, you already won.
I did?
You did. You gave it your all.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you. You were brave. You tried your best and did not give up.
Thank you. I was so scared.
I know, but you did it.
I couldn't have without you.
You overcame yourself. That is the greatest victory.
Jenny smiled. She finally understood.
When we face challenges, we may feel afraid, but if we have faith, courage, and give our best, we can truly succeed.
当我们面对挑战时，可能会感到害怕，但如果我们有信心、勇气，并尽全力去做，我们就能真正取得成功。
I'd love to hear what you think about the story. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Nellie. Welcome to Mama Hugging with English for Mum. Hello, everyone. It's so nice to meet you all. Next up, vocabulary. Let's break down some interesting words we just encountered.
Announcement, 公告. An announcement is something important that is told to a group of people publicly.
Hi, Mom. Hello, dear. Ready for the big test? I'm so nervous. Nervous, feeling worried or afraid about something, especially before doing something new or difficult.
Training, 训练.
Practice or learning to improve a skill, especially through repeated effort.
Encourage, 鼓励. To give someone support, confidence, or hope so they feel motivated to do something. Confident, 自信. Feeling sure about your abilities or believing you can do something well.
To keep learning with me, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Also, ring the bell to join our community and stay updated on every new lesson.
It's time for our Q&A session.
Hi everyone, welcome to our Q&A. I'm so excited for your questions.
Why was Jenny surprised in class? A. She forgot her homework. B. She was chosen to run in a race. C. She won a prize. She had to change schools.
The answer is B. She was chosen to run in a race.
What did Jenny say when she was chosen? A. I am ready. B. This is easy. C. I can't do it. D. I will win.
The answer is C. I can't do it.
What advice did the teacher give Jenny? A. You should quit. B. Ask someone else to do it. C. If you don't try, how do you know you can't? D. Only winners matter.
The answer is C. If you don't try, how do you know you can't?
What problem did Jenny have at the beginning of training? A. She ran too fast. B. She could not run far. C. She did not like running. D. She missed practice.
The answer is B. She could not run far. What happened at the end of the race? A. Jenny came in first place. B. Jenny stopped running. C. Jenny came in third place. D. Jenny fell down. The answer is C. And Jenny came in third place. I'm so proud of her. Yay!
What lesson did Jenny learn? A. Winning prizes is most important. B. Running is easy. Trying best is a truc of exceed.
The answer is C. Trying your best is a true victory. To keep learning with me, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Also, ring the bell to join our community and stay updated on every new lesson. It's time to say goodbye for now. See you in the next lesson.